Also, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, sneakers. Shares of Deckers Outdoor Corporation, ticker symbol DECK. That's moving lower this morning, actually. Now, it was higher, actually, pre-market by about 3%. And this is as Wall Street is beginning to get a little bit more bullish on the maker of Uggs and Hoka footwear. One Wedbush analyst said that there are many more doors Decker can go into, which should cause the brand awareness to keep growing. That is part of an insider report. But within the movement for the company, and I mentioned it was up pre-market on some of those reports by about 3%, and was really looking through some of the most recent net sales from their last quarter that they reported from, wholesale net sales increasing, and really came back to, for this analyst over at Wedbush, the share of wall space that Hoka and in some of the running categories, you see even more of the new players starting to take up more share of wall at a Dick's Sporting Goods, at a Foot Locker. And so what could that really mean for a Deckers, or really for a Hoka and an On Running even, who we talk to their CEOs, their co-CEOs, pretty frequently, just about how much market share they're able to take as consumers are really just looking for more running or performance alternatives as well out there.
Decker shares are up year to date. Can we just say that real quick?
Yeah,
I mean, that's relatively rare in this environment to see, especially a company that is a retailer. So the shares are up about 8% year to date. And just on an anecdotal basis, I mean, Uggs have sort of had a fad phenomenon and have stayed popular. Hoka's now are the next to hit.
Yes.
I mean, you see them everywhere now in a way that you didn't even, we didn't see anything a year or two ago because we weren't out anywhere, but could go back 3 years, say.
Yeah.
You were not seeing Hoka's, definitely not the same market share or same foot share, if you will.
Foot share. Yeah, no, you go into the Ugg site, and this is probably one of the more impressive holiday assortments I've seen in this company in the past 10 years. It's almost been a complete reimagination of Uggs across jackets, accessories, and boots that nobody's talking about. And then secondarily to Hoka, this is a brand that is really not being discounted. And I think a lot of notes that have come out so far this week post Christmas has been a lot of focus on those brands really exposed to high levels of discounting, especially in the waning days of Christmas. I didn't see Hoka mentioned at all. I didn't see really Uggs mentioned at all either, which of course is good for this brand and might help to explain why the stock has done well.
Yeah, percentage of full price sales really getting factored into a Hoka owner or parent company, Deckers, as we were taking a look at them. But as of right now, we'll continue to track their move on the day.